our channel. This is Zoe here, and in this short video, guys, I'm going to give you an update on the My Forex Funds challenge. Many of you all remember what I did on the last challenge, how I got funded for 400K. But in this video, I'm going to give you an update of what's been going on and how I was able to withdraw, guys. And I'm going to show you the withdrawal process. I'm not going to spend too much time talking here. I'm going to go right into it and give you guys a little bit of the back end, and you guys will be able to get a closer look. But what happened was I was able to withdraw on the My Forex Funds account challenge. Both links are in the link below in the description, and that's how you can get started. And what I noticed with the My Forex Funds, what they told me was, guys, I had to be able to go 30 days on the account, which I didn't know. And as you can see here, go ahead and get a closer look. What I was able to do was, you can see that this is My Forex Funds. Let's go ahead and show you guys. This is the My Forex Funds here. And right now, why it says new count on a new server sent is because I was told that I had to go 30 days to get this account, right? The live account. So once you get your live account, you have to have the account for 30 days and you have to have 10 minimal trading days. Previously, I had 2 live accounts and I was waiting for my 3rd live account, my 3rd 600K account, but they told me that for me to proceed to merge all 3 accounts, I had to go 30 days on the account. So that is a little bit of why it's been taking long, but as you can see here, I was able to capitalize on this account. I got the account, and as you can see, I took my 10 minimal trading days, and on this perfect account, I was able to capitalize. And I made $15,000 for the month, $15,910, and I was able to withdraw it here on this account, on my 200K account. Now, the reason why it says new server sent is because they're gonna send it to an account to my new server, which I gotta show you guys in the back end. Now, this is a new feature that they have, the My Forex Funds. They updated their servers, why it took a bit long, but as you can see, I was able to withdraw the $15,900 on this account. And you can see the trades that I took, which I'll go back and show you. And that's this is my first account. Let's go ahead and show you my other account. On my other account, as you can see, let's go to the month. I was able to withdraw $3,882 on this account, right? And this account started up again, around the same time in December. This is started off in December. As you can see, this is the monthly results, right? And I was able to capitalize $3,882. So I'm going to give you guys a closer look, guys, on how I was able to do this withdrawal, show you guys the back end, and we're going to go ahead and get a closer look. Welcome everyone that's tuning in. This is a closer look, and this is Zoe here. I'm not going to spend too long on this. I want to show you guys really the back end of what's been going on, the updates, and all these new things that's happening with FX Capital Online, My Forex Funds, you know, our trade alerts we have going on, members getting funded. So as you can see, I'm on the My Forex Funds website. And what I was talking about in the beginning of, now the main packages right now that we're applying the program to get funded, right? We have a new group chat that's going to be implemented where if you want to become a Forex funded trader with a prop firm, any prop firm out there, we're going to have a community chat, because right now we have a chat. They're called the elite members chat. So right here we have the elite members chat where we actually give trade alerts, guys. We give signals, but we call them trade alerts, where we let you guys know when are we buying or selling a currency, crypto, commodity, right? Anything. We also have trading sessions where we do live trading sessions with you guys. And in those live trading sessions, members have passed their challenges like I went through. Members are getting funded. And here's a chat, just a couple screenshots, right, of what members are profiting day to day, week to week, month to month with us, right? So here's some wins. Here's some screenshots here, right? Some member here did the 100K challenge, deposited, already profited, right? 24,000 for the week, right? This is another member, just some charts, some graphs, right? It's just showcasing wins, some losses if there are any, couple withdrawals you will see, right? Here's one guy, congratulations, right? Congratulations, you made it. It is a pleasure to present you with the credentials to your live account. So someone here already passed the My Forex Funds, and they're just showcasing that, guys, this is legit. I'm also getting funded, and I'm a part of a community that's helping me. So this is something that's very interesting. You can see he got his account. He's showcasing what he got, his $5,000 account. Or no, his $50,000 account he passed, right? Just more and more, as you can see, of me showing you guys. It's here, guys. It's here. It's here. It's another member on his $10,000 account, as you can see right there, the video, his My Forex Funds, and there's different account challenges. This is his accelerator challenge, and it's live. So this is his live account, right? He's already profiting $400 on this 10K account on his live account, right? It grew up to 700. So the results are here, right? Right? People are passing, right? Here's another, the same guy, right? Now it's at almost 1,000. You see? So whenever they're making money, here's another one. You see he passed the accelerated live. Prop firms, guys, these are what we're doing. If you become a member with us, you're able to capitalize. Here's another guy. He deposited, let's see how much he deposited, 20,000. Okay, let's see how much he already profited for the week. $1,000 for the week. Live account. This is great. This is all great, guys. All great, right? So you guys could see we're not scared to show our losses as well. We show our losses, we show the progress before and after. You can see this guy was losing $1,495 on his 100K account, which he grew to 24,000 now. But he's patient enough. He understands the psychology process behind it. He understands how to trade with us. Next thing you know, now we went from negative $1,400 to $5,000, and he's still holding. So those are some of the things that we have implemented where you guys will get help, right? You guys will get help when you get funded. You guys will get help. So let's go ahead and just showcase this withdrawal that happened for me. Let's go over here. The withdrawal for the $3,000, 882.77 is also here, right? So that's also there on that account, as you can see here in my daily reports. Now this is a old dashboard server because I withdrew. I made my money, I withdrew, and the account reset it back to 200,000. So the current balance is 200,000, right? For both of them. Let's go back here for this one, right? 200,000. So what I have here is, now that it's working on my mobile, I can start over for that screen record so it could pop up. What I have here is the My Forex Funds. As you can see, this is the $15,000 withdrawal. But I'm going to show you what actually came to my account, right, for the month. Because for the month, I started with 200,000 initially, right? Come all the way down here. And then on this live account, I profited all these days because I had to have 10 minimal days on my live account, what I was saying earlier. I had to have 10 minimal days. And as you can see, all the days that are profit is when I was actually trading. Any day that was red, like these small losses, $1, 43 cents, 33 cents, 69 cents, it's because I took those as initial trading days because I wanted it to count as a day, right? But on this account, it was a perfect account, right? Based off ZO 10.0, based off our strategies. Psychology is really what I focused on. this account is perfect. No losses, right? The only losses that's on this account is because of me getting in the trade so it could count as a trading day. But here was perfect, right? 15,000, as you can see the withdrawal here, right? This is the live account. And let's go to the other account. So we're going to go to the other account. So the withdrawal on there was 3,000 on there, profited $3,882, and it withdrawn $3,882, right? So that's the screen record for the mobile. Now let's go ahead and see what happened when it came in the account, right? So we're going to go ahead and see what happened, because remember, this is what came, right? So we have let's see, we have 15,910, $15,910. Now remember, guys, I get 70% of that, right? Minus 75%, which is $11,932. Now, hold on. Remember, the money that I started on this challenge, plus 979, right? So you add the 979 to that. We're going to add what I made on my past phase 2 challenge, the 4% on that. When all that comes together, right? Let's go look at deal real quick, right? So we're going looking at deal. So on deal, you can see here, they have withdrawn the whole money that came from Traders Global, right? From Traders Global, as you can see, I already had profited the total amount that was sent to me, the 13,429. So the 13,429 was withdrawn and it came to the bank account as well. Here's a picture from deal, because they use deal as a payout system that I chose. I chose deal to use. So on this account, it was deal that I chosen, and you could see this was a 13,429. So they already calculated my bonus of 4% that I made from the account, from challenge on phase 2. They added the initial refund of the 979 added. So all that came together was 13,429, right? So 13,429. Another account was the same, 4,408 that came on this account, right? And transfer, bank transfer. So we have 4,408 that came on this account. And let's see the math. And I believe there was another bonus that hit the account as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys. So we have the 13,429. And this is from deal, as you can see from deal, right? 4,408. And then we have 14,116 on this account, right? So what happened here is, let's do the math real quick. Let's do the math. 13,429 plus 4,408 plus 14,16. So 19 $253 was withdrawn from my Forex fund, right? Even though on one account it shows that I withdrew 15,000, and the other account it shows that I withdrew $3,882. The reason why it's more is because they calculated what I made on both phases from phase 2, and they gave me the refund, right? Because you got to remember, the process that I chose was evaluation. So when you come in and become a prop firm, you could choose either you want to do the accelerated, evaluation, and the rapid. Right now, evaluation is what I've been showcasing. Some of our members got into the accelerated. I will showcase the rapid for you guys next. Now, the evaluation is pretty awesome because you get majority of the capital. It's just you have to go through the phases. Accelerated, you get your live account right away. Same for rapid, right? Now let's go and click the evaluation phase. I think honestly, in my opinion, evaluation is very powerful. And they have the rules and regulations here, guys. Very, 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 very powerful. So on here, if we look at this, let's go ahead and look at this real quick. We could see that the money that I started with was refunded, which was added to my withdrawal for the first month. Whatever I made on phase 2 was refunded as well. So what happened from the last updated video this is what happened from the last updated video. In the last updated video, when I was trading and I passed 2 accounts, right? For 200,000, what I thought I had to do was wait to get my third one to merge all 3 to get a total of 600K, right? So I got 400K funded, right? Pretty simple, easy. But what they told me is, they said, Alonzo, you're going to have to trade on each account at least 10 minimal days, and you can't merge the accounts until you completed 30 months. 30 days, not 30 months, guys. 30 days on each account. So I was like, oh, okay. So I had to go through my first live account. 30 days on there. My second live account, 30 days on there. My third live account, I got to go 30 days on there as well to be able to merge all 3 to get 600,000. Now, if I don't merge all 3 and I merge just 2 and keep 1, I could have 1 account for 400K balance. I could have 1 account for 600K balance. I could have 3 accounts that have 200K balances. So I'm going to give you an update on that video, right? Just to let you know, guys, the 600K funding is going to take a little bit more time after I merge all 3 accounts, right? What I was able to do was capitalize this funding for the family members that I showed you guys towards the end of the video that I was doing for, right? When he got his live account, he was able to trade and capitalize it. Again, he had to go through 30 days because your first month that you get your account, when you go through trading your first month that you get your live account, after you completed 10 days, the day you get your live account is, 30 days after that. And then you go ahead and get your profit split, 75%. Now, are you going to get paid every month? No. The first month is only when you get paid monthly. You can decide to change it to bi-weekly. And when you do change it for your next month, not only that it's bi-weekly, now you're getting paid every other week. you're also increasing your profit split percentage. So whatever you made, you guys seen I made the 15,000 and then the 3,000. So the 15,000, they deducted 75% out of that, and what came was left over was that 11,910. And then once they added the money I made from previous accounts plus the initial investment, that's why I told you guys it's really a $0 investment, because the money I spent, the $979, or any amount you start with, if it's $84, $139, $299, it's going to be refunded to you when you make your first withdrawal. So that was pretty awesome. So I really didn't spend anything because everything came back. The only thing I spent was my time, the time it took to pass the challenge, the time it took for me to wait to get funded, and the time it took for me to get the withdrawal. It was only time, but you know, I didn't have to spend something that never came back, because everything came back as they promised. So that will change. And then on your third month, it would change to 85%. And that will grow, because now as you're growing, they see you're growing, they scale your account, guys. They'll keep adding more funds to your account, right? Up to $2 million. So you can have up to a $2 million account with My Forex Funds, which is pretty awesome to scale up to. There's different strategic ways how I looked at doing this. Do you have to merge all three accounts like how I was showing you guys what you can do? No. You can have up to 600,000 is what they're saying, right? That means I can only do this 3 times. I get all 3 live accounts. They're all up to 85% profit. I can't get any more accounts. They said, okay, Alonzo, you can't get any more. You reached the max limit. Now, is it going to just stay at 600,000? No. It's going to scale up to 2 million. That's the max, really, is $2 million over here. That's the max, is $2 million. Now at that point, they'll stay at 2 million. Whatever I make is 85% profit. And it will be paid every bi-week, not monthly. So your first month, you only get paid 75%. And that is sent to you after your first month. Your second month, you have to tell them, hey, look, you come here, you go to the support, you reach out to them, you give your name, your email, your account number, the subject, and you will always reach out to them. Or when the chat is available, you can come here on the chat option and they talk to you live chat wise and tell them, hey, look, I completed my first live account, my first month on my live account, made a withdrawal. I would like to change the profit split to bi-weekly. Once you do that, you'll always get paid bi-weekly. Second month, when you completed your whole second month, right? That was 80%. Your second month is going to be 80%. Your last third month is going to be 85%. So the only thing that's changing is the amount that you could capitalize from them, right? So, and you can see it here. You are paid 75% of your profit after the first month of trading. In your second month, you are paid 80% of your profit bi-weekly. On the third month, you will receive 80% of your bi-weekly. And then at that point, profit sharing is based out of PayPal, bank transfer, TransferWise, crypto, all that, the deal and everything, what I was saying. So it's all legit, guys. You see, came in, hit my account. Everything was going great, right? This is an old account server. So why does my account server look like this and it's not updated? Because when I started, it was an old account server. Now that I have a new live account, my second month, and they updated their system, I will have the new account server, the updated dashboard, and you guys will be able to track what's been going on my new second live account. So I'm very excited, guys, because not only was I able to capitalize. For me, yeah, it's going to take longer to merge all 3 because what they told me, I can't merge. I thought I had to get one 200K live, the other 200K live, the third 200K live. I didn't trade on none of those, and then try to trade on them and merge them. But they said, no, you have to complete 10 days. You have to go through all three, and then you can merge it. I'm like, all right. In the meantime, when that is going on, let me, as you guys seen the family member that came on, my girlfriend actually got on here and she was able to capitalize, and I was managing for it. So I was able to manage some family members of mine profits, and they're going through their live accounts and pretty awesome things I'm going to show you in the next video, where you guys will see how I can have a copier. So welcome back, guys, and to end it off in this video, I'm going to give you the purpose of me doing this video, just to clear some concerns and questions in the comment section, because I've seen many of you guys wanted to know the criteria steps needed to get My Forex Funds live account and the process of the challenge. All that I'm going to clear it up for you right now. So basically, once you get the demo accounts, you have to pass the challenges, and then you'll get funded the 2 and 4% on the demo account. So you'll get paid getting off demo. Then you'll move on and you'll get your live account. And whatever you make on that live account, you'll scale up to 75% profit split your first month, then 80, and then 85% profit split. And as you guys know, there's rumors that you'll get it up to 90% profit split. But as you guys seen in the previous, you have to have 30 days on the first live account, and then you have to go ahead and request a bi-weekly payout so you can get funded on your live account. So that's the transparency, guys. There's no fake. Yes, I did demo, but it was the purpose of me doing it so I can move on to get funded up to $600,000. Now, do you guys see this is all legit, right? You don't want to focus on any bad comments of people saying don't subscribe, this is fake. It is not, guys. We're just showing you guys what we can do, and remember, we're doing this at our time of our day. We don't have to do it, but we want to showcase this to you guys because we want to show you what's possible to change and pave the ways of many people looking at us, and we're going to continue in being inspired for many of those that are watching us daily. So again, make sure you guys do like, comment, share this video, subscribe to the links below, leave a comment in the comment section if you have anything or concerns about this video, and we'll get back to you. See you guys soon.